So this is the QiYi M Pro 3x3, this time in stickerless. I did get the black version by mistake. I made a video on it, but it's not really going to be very good because I can't really tell much about black cubes. Like there's too much of an effect on my performance by having stickers, not being stickerless. I don't know how true that is, but that's just the perception I get. So I've always used stickerless for so long. Right, but let's just get into the stickerless one. QiYi really have tried very hard to market this budget cube. Wait and see if it competes with other QiYi budget cubes, which are still quite popular. I think it's always hard to just market a new budget cube now because there's so many. It's like the RS3M 2020, like MoYu have released so many, but the RS3M 2020 is still popular. So many websites say it's the best. So many people recommend it. It's just now the classic budget 3x3, and I still, if somebody wants specifically a budget 3x3, it is still my go-to recommendation, just because it is the classic. It's been proven to be a good cube. Even if the RS3M 2022 might be, standard version might be slightly better and a pound cheaper. So got quite an interesting feel. It's definitely not glossy, I guess. It's got a matte finish, not as much as a QiYi Warrior S, but that sort of idea. But quite bright shades at least. Right, so yeah, the mechanism is very simple. It's got the standard lines on the corners. Got a few lines on the edges as well, but other than that, a very simple mechanism. Pretty large corner stalk, which I suspect will make it pretty difficult to corner twist, but never impossible. Yeah, that's never going to happen by mistake. But I mean, that's not uncommon, and I question whether that's really a good idea. Just make it impossible to corner twist. Is it really necessary to do that? It's probably going to make corner cutting not quite as good. I mean, yeah, it's not too bad. It's a bit harder than on the Waylon V9. Not quite as good, but it's not bad. I mean, it's better than a Tornado V2, so probably could be loosened. The textures probably could be loosened a bit, but it's still be a decent performing cube. Right, let's do a solve on this. That is terrible. Sub 10 at least, 9.941. Do one more solve. So to be fair, this is a decent cube. For £9, it is a pretty good cube. But there are a lot of pretty good £9 budget cubes. And whether this is any better than the RS3M 2022, QiYi MS3x3, QiYi MP3x3, RS3M 2020, RS3M 2021, RS3M 2022 maglev, and any of the others, YuXin Little Magic M, YuXin Little Magic V2 M, I mean, I can just go on, is questionable. I don't think there's anything wrong. If you want to get this, go ahead. It's £9, it's a good budget cube, but whether it's necessarily better than the other £9 options is very much questionable. And it's hard to say what specifically this has that other ones don't. It's just, yeah, a pretty decent budget cube, but nothing special, and I'm a bit confused at why QiYi see the need to market this as some revolution when it's a £9 budget cube. And they've released a mat about it as well, which I might get at some point, but like nobody seems to want QiYi mats at the moment. I've got a lot of them, so whether it's worth getting another set of QiYi mats, I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and yeah, comment your thoughts on this cube, what QiYi are planning to do, why they're marketing budget cubes so much.